What does being active on LinkedIn look like? Oh, that's a great question. Thank you, Carol. I see some awesome LinkedIn profiles, but there's no activity. Or they've got 147 connections. So in an upcoming Facebook Live, I will talk more about that. But you need to share. You are an expert. So in your industry, there are magazines, online profiles that in supply chain or in finance or the CPA or the CMA or the CGA or whatever, they all have online platforms. And you see something, or maybe in your newspaper or on CNN or the BBC or ITV or CBC or whatever, an article that you think, or a blog that you think, yeah, that is great. So in the bottom or the top, there is always a little share button, and you can share that. So there again, you're building your brand. Or why don't you publish on LinkedIn? Publishing on LinkedIn brings you huge, like massive value. So it ups your Google ranking. So LinkedIn and Facebook allow you the opportunity to market to the world for free, next to free, at your expertise. You need to use it. Sadly, people just lay dormant and they haven't been activity for months. So they may have celebrated somebody's birthday, big deal. But you now need to be on LinkedIn and you need to share and see if you can download free pictures from some of the websites. You don't have to pay for those graphics or pictures, and market yourself as an expert. How often should you post? Great question. I would say definitely once a day, but see if you can do it twice a day. But also combine with that, share other people's information that they are broadcasting through their channels, through their profiles, because this gives you a Google algorithms pick up sharing. So you need to share, and it's a great platform. Well, all social media are great platforms. So you need to use it to market you, not anybody else. You need to market you as an expert.